Okay, so I'm sharing now. Okay. Exactly the way you wrote it there, right?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. No, no, don't click on that. Click outside it. Okay, that's fine. Just click next. Click on yes. Okay, so you can access the board.
Yeah.
Okay. What we're going to do now is, can you bookmark it? Do you know how to bookmark? No, not that. The star in the URL box. Can you see that star in the URL? Not that one, not that one, the second one.
This one.
Yes. Okay, do done. Just do done.
Okay, done.
Yeah. And what that helps you to do is anytime you open a new tab, you're able to just pick it from there
Okay.
straight. Yeah. If you
Yes.
click on the new tab now, don't close this one, just click on the new tab. Not that one, the plus sign. The plus sign.
Okay.
Plus, no, the plus at the top. There is a plus at the top beside the one that is open. Just go up, move to your left, move to your left, move to your, yeah, that plus sign at the top. You're not on it. No, not that one. Not that one. Go to the top. You know where your project is? The one that you've opened, the one we're seeing, the page we're seeing. No. Come back to your right as if you want to close it. There is a plus sign there.
Okay.
Yes, that one. Click on it. Okay, so if you let's let it load. There is an what I call that. Let's close this collection following that is open.
Which one?
The one that you have collections following this wish list and all that. Close it.
Okay, I should close it here.
Yes, close that one. Okay, good. At the top where you have other favorites, at the top right, yeah. No, come down a bit. At that the arrow the arrow beside that. Okay, so you can see the click on the arrow. Click on the arrow. We saw it now. We saw your thing. Okay, so click on the other favorites. You can see it there.
This one.
Can you see it at the bottom now? Can you see project homes at the bottom? So if you click on it, it takes you straight into what we've just opened.
Yes.
Can you see? So that's how you bookmark. So instead of you copying URL again, going through the same process we've just done to come into it, once you bookmark it, you can easily go into it.
Okay.
It's open there on your laptop. You can see that you have two of it open. You can close one and keep to one. So if you stop sharing, let's pick somebody else and take that person through this journey also.
Okay.
Okay, Biodun, do you want to go next?
Yes, but have just done mine. I'm so sorry about that. I didn't know we are not meant to. So I've signed in.
So
and Okay, I'm
ahead.
just gonna share my screen.
Yeah, let me just see that you're there, and then we can move to the next person. That's fine.
Okay. I'm sorry that.
I don't know. No, that's fine.
Sorry, I've got so many pages up. I just wanna.
That's okay. All right, Biodo, since yours is set up, let's try. Oluwaseun, do you want to share your screen while Biodo is closing up things? So when we finish with Oluwaseun, Biodo, you can share your screen.
Mine is set up already, but I'm using a mobile device. I'm not currently using a
Okay,
desktop.
you set it up while using your mobile.
Yes. Can I share the screen?
That's one of the things we said yesterday, that don't use the admin account while you're on your mobile phone. It's one of the instructions yesterday.
Okay.
Please,
Sorry, I missed that.
let's just keep to guidelines.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So let's go through the Azure DevOps setup now. You want to set up your Teams project.
Yes.
What team are you again? Let me remember
I'm
your
in
team.
Optimize.
Okay, everybody in Optimize, you need to help Abimbola. Any process she misses, try and unmute and tell her what to do. Okay? Abimbola, do you still remember what you need to do to set up a project?
A moment, please.
That's one.
Okay.
This is not just for Abimbola alone, no, it's everybody. She's just the one sharing her screen and taking us through.
I'll click on
Go
new
ahead.
project. Right?
So I'm going to mute myself and then just let you. It's a workshop, so Optimize.
Okay, the project name. Guys, what should we call it? Optimize.
Just say Optimize
I think I
project.
should just write Optimize.
Yeah.
Okay, we don't have the description yet because we don't know what our project is all about. So I'll just do like Moji da 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 da.
That's fine. You don't need to put that in. Once
Okay.
you know what your project is, you can come back and do that.
Okay. So I'm choosing private. I'm choosing private.
Yes, of course.
Okay, then. Okay, that's a visibility. Then I'll go to advanced.
Can you scroll down a little bit
Okay.
to see what is there?
Okay, so I'm going to use Git. Then work item process. We're going to
Yes.
use Scrum.
Let's go Scrum.
So then I create.
Yeah.
So now I'll go to
can you check on the report? On reports, was it reports, I think.
You said?
If you scroll down, just scroll a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah, where you got the arrow, just scroll a little bit.
So I'll go to bots.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
All right.
I think.
Okay. Okay, then I'll go to the board. Then after, okay, then invite my team members. Should we do that now?
Yes, I think you go on, is it invite your team members? I think should be on, is assigned to.
Okay, it's already assigned already.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
Moji, can you go?
All right, Abimbola, wait. Is it just Abimbola and Ian that are the only Scrum Masters? How many Scrum Masters do we have in your team?
5.
I'm a
Okay,
DM,
apart from
actually.
yourself and Ian, can you see other Scrum Masters in your team?
Yes, other people should be there. Okay,
I'm
hold
a
on, let me
DM,
check the
actually.
participants, okay? I have Christiana should be here, I guess. Christiana, are you here? Danny Bukun, are you here?
Yeah.
Okay, in order not to waste time, is there any other Scrum Masters or even ADMs that can tell them where they've missed the process? Anyone, just unmute and talk.
I'm a ADM, actually.
Oh, Ian, you're an ADM, good.
Yes.
So where have you missed where do you need to go to add your team members to your board?
I think we're supposed to broach a project setting.
Good.
Okay. Project settings, okay.
Yes. If you click on there.
Okay, project settings, then we will have team configuration, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you are trying to add your team members first before we start
To configure.
dealing with all
okay,
the
add
settings.
team project settings, then
No, anybody wants to help Abimbola and Ian?
I think if you go up to check the
Teams.
general section, yeah.
Okay.
New
And then
team.
what do you do at team? Don't create another team.
No.
Oh, no. Okay, then I'll click on optimize.
Optimize. Can you click on that 3, please? Yeah, the 3.
See,
No,
team as well.
click on your team's
on your
name.
team.
Okay. Then should I highlight it, right?
How do you add your
No.
members? Don't I like
Okay, I'll add my members here.
Yeah, add your members on it.
Okay, can I get the names, please?
Start with your own.
Okay. Christiana. Ian. Who else in my team?
Let me just
check for me, please.
Can I check for you?
Yes.
That's fine. You don't need to add everybody now.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
you can add
do
them
that
later.
later.
Now you know how to do it.
Okay, so we can just save, right?
Save, yeah, and then you can be just to show that at least you can do it by yourself. Right?
Okay.
Okay, so you can start with all the other settings that you need to.
Okay. Okay, organization settings.
I think so.
What do you want to do on the organization setting?
Yes, I was almost asking that same question. Thank you, Moji. I think we're going to be able to help if we know exactly what you want to do, something like that.
Okay. To create the process. Oh no, I'm looking at inherited process.
Well done.
Right?
Okay.
And go ahead.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay.
That's doable on the
Should I do this?
project setting. That's doable on the project setting.
Go ahead.
Okay. Okay, so when I get to the organizations,
you come down.
Go down.
Yeah, come down.
Left.
organization setting. It's right
Oh,
there
okay, here.
at the bottom.
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Then I think I'll have to go to my team.
No, I
Can you
think
scroll?
I
I
missed
think you
something,
should
right?
stay on projects, yeah.
Okay, I should stay on project.
Come
Scroll
down,
down, you see
come down,
process.
come down. Yeah,
Can
process.
can
Sorry.
can
On
you
the
scroll
left,
down?
right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's it.
You have to go on a process, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And I will now look for
For
my team.
You can't see your team there. You've not created it yet.
Oh, okay. So I'll look for the I'll click
Scrum.
on
You
this
go on
ellipse.
Scrum. You go on
Yeah.
Scrum first. On
Yes.
those three ones, yeah.
Yeah. Then
And then you go
create
on
inherited process.
yes.
So what's our inherited process? Optimize.
Optimize.
Optimize Scrum to
Optimize
separate.
Scrum.
Sorry, what did you say?
Optimize Scrum, isn't it?
I think you should
Optimize
add Scrum to it so you'll
Okay,
be able
so
to
if
find
other
it.
people are setting up any other inherited process,
Yeah.
it can affect us.
Yes.
Okay, that's fine. Optimize Scrum.
No space,
Yeah,
no
no
space. Put them
space, yeah.
together.
Sorry.
Okay, put together. So the description to that.
You don't have to do that. The-
I inherited that from which?
Okay. Good inheritance.
So I'll create the process.
Yeah.
Okay, now we have 5 here,
Yes.
and I still need to. What next?
Mm.
Yeah, helper. What does she need to do next?
I think you have to
Okay.
go back.
I say I have to go back to
Now-
process, right?
You have to go back to the process, I think.
I'll
Yeah.
have to go back to the process. On
You
the
need your
But
project.
you're already on process. You're supposed to go to projects
You're already
now.
on process now.
Yeah, go to
Okay.
projects now.
Okay, I'll
Projects.
go back to project.
Projects.
Yeah.
Is it this one?
Yeah,
Yes.
that one.
Okay, so
Then you
now
find
I
us.
see my optimize, right?
Yeah.
Yep.
If it's okay, this is it.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the
So
one. That's the one you can see the date.
Go to the hamburger
So-
menu, yeah?
I'll go to this place, right?
No,
Yeah, Scrum.
Yeah.
just go on your project.
Yeah.
Go on your project itself because you need to go on your project page.
Okay, good.
Okay.
All right. So from here, what
Then
do you
you
pick
change
now?
the process now from Scrum.
Okay,
to-
change the process from Scrum
Yeah.
to optimize.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah.
now
Is
go to
that-
the project on your.
But then go to project here.
On this one.
Then I'll go
And
to
you go to
optimize. Then I'll click on the ellipse. Then change process.
yeah.
Then it goes to
Select
guess.
the target process.
then
And
it goes agile.
Oh,
It goes agile now,
Okay.
right?
yeah, agile. That's
You're not
our
picking
third one.
agile. Is
No.
agile your process?
No, no.
No,
What's the process you created?
Scrum, yeah. Scrum.
no,
Right.
optimize Scrum.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then save.
So we save it. Then I should
Okay.
close, right?
This is stressful.
Yeah.
Close.
Next
Oh
thing,
gosh.
I've changed my process, and then
Mm.
You can see your project is no longer under Scrum now. So that means it's gone to your process.
okay, so
Okay.
I should go back to the project again,
Yeah, you
right?
can go back to
Yeah.
your projects.
So I will now pick my
You have to pick now our project and
Optimize Scrum.
optimize. Okay, good. What do I do? Is it the ellipses too, or what?
Just click on your project.
I should click on my
from the
project.
project. The green one. What's the same?
Okay.
Okay, so you can see your process has changed now.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can start
Okay.
all your settings because you've created your process.
Okay.
So what's the first
So-
thing you?
Oh, I will go back to organization.
We go,
No,
yes,
no, you don't need organization. The only thing you need to do on organization is your process that you're changing. That's all.
Okay.
okay.
Every other thing you need to do is on your project now.
Okay.
So which one of the left panel do you think you need to do first?
You go to the last one, you scroll, I think. you go back to the, yeah, you scroll that one. You go to, can you,
No. Hold on. Team
Scroll back up.
configuration,
Mhm.
yeah,
isn't it?
yeah, I think so. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah. Not project configuration, but we're going on team configuration now.
Yeah, it's a team configuration. Okay. I want to highlight this. Isn't it?
Is that Epic, isn't it?
Yes, Epic.
Epic.
No, I'm not doing Saturday and Sunday. I'm just doing Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday, yes.
Okay. And
Working
what
days.
else? The bugs are managed with requirement. That's fine.
Yeah.
Right. So I go to iteration, right? All right.
Mm-hmm.
Is that the next? Yeah.
Just scroll down.
Under iteration, right? Sorry, Mojo, what did you
No,
say?
go. I go back on.
You're doing fine.
Okay.
I should go back to in general.
No, go to where you come.
Okay,
Yeah,
iteration.
iteration. There's something
Okay.
you need to change here. What is it?
Default retreat. I don't know. Change current. I'm coming.
Oh. I can't remember here.
I'm
Okay,
coming.
it's the at current iteration you need to change.
The current.
So
Okay.
change in front of it. Yeah, just click on the change.
Okay, and
Okay.
I optimize.
Optimize. Okay.
I should set it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, it has set everything. Right. So
Do we
and
check?
I'll go to
Do
area.
we areas? Yes, because we have to follow that on top, isn't it?
Okay. Is there any other thing that we need to change here?
That's all. That's all you need to change.
Okay. So we go
Yes.
to
No
areas.
area.
Then
You're not changing anything. You're just checking to make sure you're on the
Yeah.
right area path, and you
okay.
can
Okay.
see your optimizer, so you know you're on the right path.
Then we go to template.
Yeah, templates also, you're not doing
I'm
anything.
not doing
Mhm.
anything.
Oh.
Okay. Then the team board.
Before
Right.
your team board, you need to
Mm.
do the state.
Yes.
Okay, so that's you going back to your project. So at the top where you have blue sky / optimize, just click on optimize.
On there.
That
Okay.
takes you back.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
So
click on the overview. Go to the overview.
Overview on top there. Yeah, that one.
Yeah. Let's see the summary. Are we on summary? Because we need that place where, oh, sorry, project settings.
Okay. On the overview, right?
Yeah, the project setting at the bottom. Project settings at the bottom.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so go to your process. Okay, remember what we did here. You had to pick the work items.
Yes.
Yep.
Pick the PBI first. Click on the product backlog item.
Okay.
No. Just
Just
take
click on that.
click on that. It will open it up. So you need to add some fields to the layout. Remember the BA, dev, and
Okay, so to create
QA.
the columns.
This is for you to add more fields to the work item itself. So you click on new field.
Okay.
You don't need to, but it's just part of what we did. So
Okay, I'll use an existing field. Right?
yes, go ahead.
I didn't look at what we have before. I think we have acceptance criteria.
No, we're not adding all this. So what you want to add is you want to add section for the BA, for your dev, for your QA, for your DA, so that people that are working. No, we're not in the column one now. We're not in the state one. We're in the field. So you have to create it one after the other.
Dev.
Backup, use an existing field. Don't create a new
Sorry.
field.
QA, right? My team members.
Yeah,
Please.
We are here.
You're
Let me
doing
know
well.
you're here.
That's
Yeah.
why they're quiet.
Which other one?
You can add your DA
Yeah.
to it also because
DA, right?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Use an
Except,
existing one
Yeah.
here.
So
Use an
it's a
existing
system
one,
one.
sorry.
Then you, yeah.
Okay. So after creating that,
so let's go to the state now. You finished everything you need to do on layout.
So
You've
go to
added all the
state.
bits you want to add. Let's go to the state.
Okay, so is that where we're going to do the in BA, right?
Mm.
In BA,
remember you need
and
to
the
change your
state of in
category.
BA is in progress, right?
Proposed.
Proposed, sorry. The color, can we leave it
Remains gray.
gray?
Yeah.
Okay, what about the bug? I didn't do anything about the bug. Is this where we're going to do that?
No. You do the work item, the backlog first. You do the bug also.
Okay. On the
And then we're
same.
still going to
On
go
the
back
same.
to the task anyway, but don't worry.
Okay.
Let's go
In
ahead. We're
BA,
still in the
BA
same.
done, right?
Yeah. So we put. Yeah.
Okay, let's be consistent. If you use capital letter, that means when you are creating your board, you have to use capital letter.
Okay.
So the first letter can be capital, but just the others needs to be small letter.
Okay. Okay. But in this case, is it okay like this?
The
If
D,
you not the A, isn't it? It
the
should be smaller.
BA has to be capital, but at least the D for the done
Okay.
has to be capital also.
BA
that's still
done
proposed.
should be.
Is it
What's the
green?
state of no? What's the state of BA done? Sorry.
Proposed is still
Proposed.
proposed. Category is still proposed. And that will
And
change
then
your
it
color
will be green.
normally. Yeah. No, it's still gray.
Okay.
What's next? QA, right?
Is it QA next? You people should talk.
Yeah.
You're leaving Abimbola to it. Is it
Yeah.
QA next?
From the
Yeah,
other
let's
side,
go.
we did QA as well. Yeah.
PBI, sorry. PBI, that's a product
No.
backlog.
Yeah, your product backlog item is the one you're creating states for. So click on your
Okay.
state. Yeah, and I told you the next one already.
Which one?
QA. QA.
QA, okay.
QA.
Is your developer
QA.
first.
Thank you.
Your developer comes before your QA.
Okay, my developer, in dev. In developer. Should I use in dev or
In dev, just do in dev.
Okay. Sorry.
No, the IN is fine. The N for that one. Why we made the BA capital is because it's business analyst. Yeah, and we're shortening it. That was why we did that. So
Okay, it should be
Proposed.
no, it's in progress. So what your proposed means is before we commit to it, before we start sprint planning, anything before sprint planning is a proposal. That's what the BA is proposing for you, the team, to work on. So the developer is the first person that starts working once the sprint starts. That's why the state has to be in progress, because you've committed to it, you've started working on it. Okay? All right.
Okay.
So let's create.
And we have the dev done.
capital D.
Dev done, that should be
Will still be
Progress.
in progress too.
in progress.
Next.
Does the color change by itself depending on the
The
emojis?
state category you pick
Okay.
depends the color.
Oh, okay. So we don't need to change the color. So the next one is QA.
QA.
In QA. What should be the state of in QA? Is it not active?
Should be in
Yeah, I've
progress, I
seen.
think.
Bimbala is asking you.
She is in progress still.
In progress, right?
Yes.
Then QA done. QA done should be. Is it still in progress?
Can you scroll? Can you make a scroll? I think I can't remember.
What next? What else do we have? Is there any other thing?
I don't think so. I think we've
Scrum
completed.
Masters, help. What other states does Abimbala needs to create?
I've done testing.
Abimbala in UAT.
Testing.
In UAT.
Biodun, Oluwaseun, and King David. I hope you're doing yours also.
In UAT.
I've started, but I've actually stopped.
Why? You got lost?
Yes, I did.
Sorry, Moji. I sent you a
Yeah,
picture on
In progress. Let's go
in
in progress.
UAT, what's the state?
It will
It's
be
in
in
progress.
progress still.
In progress.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay,
UAT
you said
done
you
is
sent me a
what?
message. Who sent me a message?
Yeah, King David, I said I sent you a message because
Okay,
I didn't
let
want
me
to
check.
progress. I just want you to see what
Sorry,
I
can
sent.
we mute ourselves or what?
Yeah,
Because we are recording
Yeah.
this.
we are.
Yeah. UAT done.
Yeah,
So what should be the state?
In progress, I
in
think.
progress
Uh,
still.
King David, I would resolve yours. You're based in Nigeria, isn't it?
Yes.
I think it's done, isn't it?
That's why you're having that issue.
Right. So should
All
I
right, don't
just
worry.
leave it there
Just
and
stop.
not
Don't
do
worry.
anything?
We will resolve that later.
okay.
Not you, Abimbala. I'm talking to King David.
Yeah. So what next should we do?
Have you done UAT done? Yes.
Yes, it's
I've
been done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go back to optimize Scrum.
So project, right?
No. At the top,
On the top.
your process.
Yeah.
Okay, so we've done everything we need to do for product
PBI.
backlog item. Let's pick your task next. So we're not laying in. Okay, so we're doing layout here. 2 fields. Who can remember the fields that we need to put in the task?
Bug.
Sorry?
Is it bug?
No. This is your task, not your bug. Bug is another work item. So
Oh,
a
It's not.
PBI.
Is not a sprint.
No, it's not a sprint. Okay, click on new field. At existing, no, use an existing field. Look for hours, planned hours. Click the drop down and click planned hours. Okay, add field.
Hold on, please.
Oh,
Jerry, do you want to ask a question or is
Okay,
that
planned
legacy?
hours,
it's a add field.
add field.
Yeah,
I'll be able to get it done later because
you go
I'm
back to the
just
same one.
yeah, so I'll be able to
Yeah.
trace my way back. Yeah.
All right.
And
Thank you.
then scroll.
So this will be actual worked hours. Okay, for the tax, that's the only thing we do. We don't change the states because they're just, excuse me, 3 states there. So that's fine. So let's go back to your process.
Optimize, right?
Yeah, and pick the bug work item.
New field, right?
So for this one, you're not creating anything for the field. It's the state we need to customize.
Okay.
Okay, new states. And this is the one where you have the active. It's in progress, but the color changes.
Okay, I should
What's the
put the
color?
color.
What would the color change to?
It should be
Is that
green.
not green?
It's not green. It's a
Red.
bug. So what's the color?
It's red. Red.
Okay. So add another state. What's the name of the next state we need to add?
Okay.
Work in progress, right?
No,
Is it planning?
it's
Commit.
resolved.
Resolved. Oh, yeah.
Okay, resolve.
Oh, good.
It's not here.
Your resolved is still in progress, but the color changes too. What color does it change?
Green.
Yeah.
Green. Green.
All right, and that's your bug also done. So let's go back to your
To the PBI, to the, we should configure the field, right?
You've done all the states. We need to do the bud now. So go to your process or your project. Sorry, not your process anymore. Look for your project.
How can you?
And go on the board. So your board is the little panel that is not open up on the left. No. Okay, that's overview. That, yeah. The second one, not the one below the work items. Yes.
Yeah.
Which one is this? Something came up just now.
Don't worry, it's just welcoming you.
Okay, I should close it, right? Okay.
Ah. You're gonna click on new, is it?
No.
Let's
I
scroll
think we
through.
have to
Let's see.
align it.
Let's scroll all the way from the bottom. There's a bottom side, so at the bottom. At the bottom of that page. No, not there, not that one. The bottom, you can see it there. Let's just go across. No. Okay, click on that. Yep.
This place.
Okay, so you need to look for for you to configure this board. Excuse me. Where is which one? No, that's not the one to use. That one is just to maximize, give you full screen. There
Mm.
is an icon you need to click on to configure your board. Who can remember? Anyone? Anybody that
New
wants to help?
item.
No.
No.
Anyone? Anybody from any other team can talk. It's not just Optimize alone. If you are from another team and you know what needs to be done, please. This is a workshop.
Retrospective.
Everybody should be talking.
Your battery running low.
Retrospective, right?
Eh?
Let me try this.
It's not retrospective. It's the board we want to work on.
I hope you're saving this.
Yes, I have.
Anyone? All right, there is there is a cog on top of your board on your right hand side.
The filter.
That's the
No,
that's
the
the
next one.
panel. The
The
next one.
settings.
Yes.
The next one, yeah, that one, yeah. I remember.
Okay, so yeah, go to the board columns at the bottom. Click on the
Okay,
columns.
column.
Okay, so you can see that the arranges after new. What comes after new?
Okay, what comes after new? Okay, that I should arrange it in
Yeah,
a
you
way
have to arrange your
the
board.
way it should
Set
be,
your board.
right?
What column should come after new? New is the main one. So what comes after that?
It's approved.
Progress.
It's not approved.
In progress.
It's not in progress.
In dev.
Does your developer work after your backlog? Who works after your backlog?
Okay, in BA.
So click down and drag here.
Yeah, okay.
All right. When we are on the BA now, let's check. Scroll down to check that let's do it one after the other. Hold on. Go back to in BA. Anyone that is highlighted is the one you're in. Okay, so scroll down. Scroll down.
The work limits should be 10.
Still scroll down.
Then
okay, so you can see that it's automatically correcting itself. It's already put your state in BA because of what we've gone to do. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's click on the BA done one.
Okay. And then the bug, we're not supposed
BAs
to
don't
it
work
does
on
not have
bugs.
bugs. Yeah.
Don't close it. Don't close it. We're doing everything before we save and close.
Oh, okay.
Go to the next one. BA done.
BA done.
You're still in BA. Anyone that is highlighted in blue is the one you're in.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the whip limit also increases.
10.
So you're just checking to make sure everything, and you can see that that one also is in BA done.
Okay.
All right. So what column comes after BA done? Anyone? Not just Abimbola. We're all learning now.
Is that design, is it?
In dev.
Who works after your BA? The BA writes the story.
Developer, sorry.
Developer.
After the developer works on it, after the BA has written the story.
Approved.
Approved is the next one because that's where the PO approves the story that's been written. Okay, so let's scroll down just to make sure that the PBI state is in good. So let's go to the next one. So for you to get to the next one, there is a blue arrow. Just click on it. It will be moving things for you.
Committed. No. Yeah.
Yeah. So click on it. Let's check. We're just checking to ensure that everything is.
Whip limit is still 10, is it? Is it on everything? Whip 10.
You can just make everything uniform 10. Even if you don't have 10 inside, it doesn't matter. Okay, you can see now that this is where from committed is where both your bugs and your PBI needs to be updated. Okay, and they are updated already. So let's go to in there.
So this is
Yeah, so there'll be
supposed to
some
be
changes here. So
active.
your bug becomes what?
Active.
Well done.
Okay.
He says I've changed the state mapping for the.
Don't worry.
I should leave it.
Mm.
Okay, so dev done.
Mhm.
Any other thing?
You
That's
click
your
in dev
index.
done.
Go to your dev done.
Just click to check in it.
What's the state of bug in dev done?
It's still active.
Active.
Okay.
Then in QA. Okay. The bug is still active.
Mhm.
If you scroll, yeah. Yeah, done.
QA done, resolved. Right?
So what's the state of your bug here?
Resolved.
Good.
But you said something about QA done, resolved. You said something that QA does not have a bug or something, is it?
Is your UAT, the bug doesn't get UAT.
Okay, UAT, okay.
So the BA won't carry out user testing on the bug. They only carry it out on the users.
So what should we put here? We should just leave
you
it.
can do the same result. It doesn't matter.
Do we have
Change it to resolve
result?
also. Yeah.
Result.
So,
Okay, so we need to delete that active and resolved column. We don't need it. So why you're getting that is because on the Scrum, main Scrum, a team has created active and resolved. Did you see what we said about once somebody creates it, it becomes an issue? Yeah, that's why you're seeing the same thing coming up on your board, because somebody has, they've kept to the Scrum process and they've created things on the Scrum process. And because we came from the Scrum process, even though we've created an inherited process, there are some things we inherited from the main one, from what has been done on the main one. So what we need to do to this active, because we don't need an active column after our UAT done, is to remove it, remove that column. The same goes for the result one, remove it. Okay, that's our board. We can save and close now. So our saving and closing is really just for you to see. If you scroll all the way through now, you see that what you're supposed to have, everything has been arranged.
Okay.
Yeah. We're still going to go back to the same configure to do the fields in the cards, but just to see that your body is the way it's meant to be. Yeah.
So I'll go to my team again.
No, just go to that cog again, that setting on your top right.
Right hand side.
Click on it. Now we want to do the fields on the cards. And you can see the highlighted one is the PBI. It's by default, so don't worry.
Okay.
So it will show you the ID, the assigned to. If you scroll down, you need to add more fields to this one. So just click on the plus, click on about the plus 5 times, so thereabout, just to have enough fields. Yeah, that's fine, don't worry, we'll delete whatever we don't want. So click on the drop downs and then be adding the fields that you want to see on your card.
The states is there.
Area path.
Assigned to. It's already there now.
It's already there, but you need your area path.
Activated by.
Not everything. You don't need to put everything. It's just the things you will need.
Okay, but you told us about activated. Assigned to, okay.
Assigned to is there already, isn't it? At the top by default.
Oh, okay.
Let's check. Let's check. Scroll up. Is there here?
Okay.
Yep.
Assigned to and show ID is already there.
Okay, so pick your
Do you-
board column.
Board column.
Scroll down. There's a lot of things there. But be careful so that you're not too fast. Scroll down. Scroll down. Scroll down.
How about closed by? You don't need it.
You don't need it. You need created by if you have more than one BA, so that at least you know the BA that is
Okay.
painting the story.
on
Created
top
by.
that, yeah.
What did you say? Yeah.
No, I was just saying created by it was on top of that, just to point to the
Okay.
car.
Have I done that?
Yes, you've done it. You've just done it.
Okay.
I think effort is
Effort.
there by default. Is it there by default? If it's
Effort.
not, pick it. If it's there, we'll come back and pick it, and then let's scroll up to see if it's there by default.
Okay. Okay, sure.
Yeah, it's there by default. So just open the drop down. We'll pick something else instead of it again. So you can pick iteration path. That one will be showing you your sprint. Okay.
Any other thing?
Let's pick the.
Oh yeah, and what other thing do you want us to put as a team?
Resolved that we've already put that, isn't it?
You don't need resolved date. This is a story, not a bug.
Okay.
Is the bug that you need resolved by,
Resolved
not
that.
even the date.
Okay.
Work item type?
Yes.
That's fine.
Okay. You can delete the other things if
There
you
are
feel
no
you
other
need
things.
Issues
anything.
with another.
Okay.
Show empty fields. We should if you want display fields even when they are empty, yes, right?
Okay, so go to your board, bugs before you save and close. Don't save and close it. Just do the bug also. Okay, the same thing, the same process.
You need to add fields.
Okay. Which one should we add?
So this
Should
one
we say
also we need
active
Area
data, isn't it?
created by area path,
Created by.
definitely.
What else?
Created by, you need it. You want to know who created the bug. You can put your board column also, that's fine.
What else?
Resolved by.
And then you need the severity also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So create more fields.
How many?
And do 2 more so that you pick severity and your work item type. But it's up to you. If you want to put more, you can always come back and add more things.
That's all. Save and close, right?
So save and close, yes. Okay, so that's your board set. If you click on the so I think your mentors will be doing that so that we don't waste much time. To show you the navigation level, your mentors will be doing that. Let's go back to the project settings because we didn't set our dashboard. On the left panel, you'll see dashboard. No, the
main one.
where the
second one.
projects here. Not that one, not that one, not the tiny one, the middle one.
Yeah, this one, the middle one. Yeah.
Okay, this one.
Yeah.
So which one are you going to activate?
Create dashboard.
Edit dashboard. We are not going to
Edit.
activate delete.
No, the delete. Them too.
Okay, so that's done. Let's go back to the boards. The green one. Okay, we're not going on that board. We're going to the retrospective now for you to create your
Retrospective. Which one are
Yeah,
we?
just underneath there.
Tell me now.
click on that first. If it's not the one, I'll tell you.
I think we took the first one.
Click on any of them just to check. We
first
can as
one.
well close it when it's not the right one.
We took the first one. Isn't it? Yep. Would are you there?
Yeah, yes. Click on
I should
create. If
create
it's not
board.
the one, we'll close it. Don't worry. That's fine. Click on it. Yeah, that's the right one. Okay, so this is just to show you how to do it. If you want to create it now, you can just set it there and everything. But this is like I said, it's just a workshop so that once you need to create your retrospective, you know where to come to. So normally your retrospective goes with, once you've set your sprint board, yeah, you create your retrospective because it's at the end of your sprint that you will have your retrospective. So this is just to show you how you come to, so you don't need to do it now.
Yeah, but you
Because
know
you've
that
not
you
started your sprint.
okay, you
So
mentioned that we should not use this. We should not
yeah, you don't need
upscale.
to.
Okay.
Because you have anonymous at the bottom. The
Okay.
last one says do not display names in feedback. So there's no need for you obscuring feedback.
Then column settings.
Yeah, that's where you pick any templates you want. If you scroll down, you'll see the different templates.
Should you do that now?
Yes, let's do it now.
If you want to set it, you can set it now. So if you want to do that, yeah, just go back up. Go back up.
Go up.
For your title, just put sprint 1 retro there. Even though you've not had your sprint 1 yet. But just put sprint 1 retro. At least you know it's created. Separate. Let the one be separate. It doesn't have to be.
Okay.
You can write it in full. You can have retrospective in full or just do retro. It's up to you what you want to do.
Okay. Maximum vote per user.
You can leave it at the 5. By the time you do the first one, you will know if the next one you will increase it.
Okay.
That's something that comes with experience and usage.
Push.
Just create it again. It's because you went out of the
Sprint 1 retrospective.
So create settings, right?
So scroll down. So the basic template is what you have there already. That would help you. I would, in my opinion, say that keep to that because it helps you to know what exactly you're doing in that team. So the first one, as you can see, is the first column that will say what went well. And then the second is what didn't go well. So create a new column. It's up to the team and how you want it. So your new column could be improvements.
Lesson learned?
Sorry, Ian, what did he say?
Lesson learned?
Yeah, you could do lesson learned. Yeah, you can do that. That's a good one, actually. Yeah, put a lesson learned one.
Or focus for the week.
No, this one is your retrospective where you reflect on the things that happened during the sprint and then put improvement plan in place. So Ian sets lessons learned. Yeah. Capital L.
Oh.
Okay, create another one. Can call that one improvements. Then you can create another one and call that one actions or action plans. So I think the maximum column you can have is 5. So it doesn't have to be 5 all the time. You can, after a while, decide to be for it to be 4, but depending on so the icons also you can change them. So for what went well, you can see that is smiley face. If you click on it, it gives you the other option.
Okay.
That's a sad face. The lesson learned, that is a computer. Click on the icon. It gives you different, so you can pick anything you want there and put there. It's up to you.
You can put a question mark. Lesson learned.
Okay, the same thing for your improvement. You can pick anything you want. You don't have to pick question mark again. So
No.
could be, I don't know.
Pick the icon that looks like a book.
That robot.
Yeah.
Okay,
Thank
and
you.
then your action plan also.
The exclamation mark, I guess.
And the colors also, you can change them. It's up to you. So that if you click on the color, you can change them also. So you have green already for
you
you.
got
But
green.
what went
Can you
well?
put yellow, please?
Improvement.
Improvement. Can you click on it and see what?
Blue.
Yeah, blue.
Action plan.
Well, yeah, let's keep pink at least. Yeah.
Save.
Yes.
Yeah.
And we
Okay.
go to wiki.
So you can see. So the colors you picked, if you start creating and typing, that's where you start seeing the color. So if you click on what went well, now that plus, as if you want to add something.
Yeah.
Click on the plus. You can see that that's your green on the side.
Okay.
You can delete it. So click out. Okay, do that. Click out. You can see the green on the side of it. Yeah.
Okay.
So that's just the color you picked.
Color.
So the three dots inside it, click on it to delete it. Okay. So that's your board set in readiness for your sprint 1 retro. Okay. Another thing.
Wiki.
What else? Yes, your wiki. Okay. So you can get your wiki in the overview. So do the create wiki. Okay, what do you want the name of your wiki to be? Which should be your project name if you want. Okay, you can save. On the side on your right.
Okay, on the right, save. Okay.
That's where you need to close it also. On your right, you see close beside save. Okay, so that's that. You can see that's the home. And then if you need to create other page beside you can do new page, but if you want all the pages to fall under the optimize that you've done, if you hover over the optimize the home, the 3 dots, click on it and then add sub page. Add sub page at the top. So this could be project information. That's me just talking. So you need to know what you want on your wiki and then put it there. So we'll try and type some things here so that you know how to use your okay, so here in that column, just put project mandates. As you can see that as you're typing at that back, it's showing in the front. Okay. Do enter and then do team members and roles.
Are we not creating a table?
No, you don't need a table. This is just for information, your project information. So you can list all the names and roles of your team members here.
Okay.
Okay.
Do they come under? Do they come just under that one, or under that subheading?
Yeah, it's left for you. You can do different because this is your project information. So definitely by the time you get your project mandate, you bring it, you put it under your project mandate, and then you can list all your team members here and their roles. By the time you do your team charter, once you're taught about the team charter and everything, once you form your team charter, you can put it, you can come back and create a sub-page, title it team charter, and then put all the information about your team charter in there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Moji, that was why I thought we should do a table for the team members and roles.
If you want to do that, that's fine.
She's suggesting now is that it's not necessarily advisable since we don't have a project right at the moment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you can do a table for it and then put team members on one side, put rows on the other side. Is that what you want to do?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
So how do I click on it? Okay, good.
So if you put team members where it's showing blue, yeah, cut that one and then put it there. Then once you start putting everybody in, okay, so you can do that. Let's just save and close. You can come back and fill it. So we're conscious of time. Yeah. So once you close it, you won't see the back end. The back end is the one you're typing on. You'll see the other one, which is the front one. So if you want to come back and continue adding your team members, what you need to do is to go to the top on the right and do edit. And then it goes back to that view. Click on edit. Okay, and then you can fill it, then save and close again. Okay, so let's save and close this one. Okay, and then if you need to put sub page, you can just keep clicking on the optimize, get the 3 dots, and then yeah. If you anything you need to add, just put it there. Okay. You can create a page for your BAs, for them to have a BA repository, your QAs to have their QA repository, so that once they have their test plan and test strategy, they can put it here. Is the wiki is just for the team's information. So you can have a DA repository also. So your DAs, maybe if they do the road maps and all that, they also can put it there. The DAs also can have their own repository here, depending on, so that if it's any information that has to do with the projects and all that, someone can come here and get all the information they need.
Moji, what does it mean, repository?
Repository. So it's like how can I put it? How do I put it now? Where you put your artifacts, it could be where you get your, so the BAs now, for like for the BAs repository, they can have their wireframes there,
okay,
process maps and all that, they can put it there. So that's where they can get specific things they're working on, their artifacts, the BAs artifacts, you'll find it there. Some can use repository, some can use BAs artifacts and all that. So
all right, thank you.
okay. Ian has been helping you since you didn't create a repository for him. You're creating a repository for everybody else. Ian, Sue, Abimbola.
Oh, yeah. I'm so sorry.
It's all right. I can't believe that. Thank you, Moji.
ADM, right?
Yeah, PM ADM.
PM ADM. Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, it doesn't want that.
Do underscore.
Okay, underscore.
Or hyphen, yeah, that's fine.
Okay, can you take hyphen?
Anyone.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so that's the key, that's the wiki done. I think that's all the ones we can do now. The estimate, you can't do it yet because there's nothing on your board yet. Okay, so add all your team members to your project board. Ensure that they can all have access to it. So once you add them, one of your role as a Scrum Master is ensure that everyone has access to the board. So once you've added them, you notify them that you've been added to the board. Please check, ensure that you can have access to the board. So a lot or almost everybody now are able to access the organization. What they can't access yet is their project board. And that's why you're going to invite all of them. And once that has been done, you, like I said, you check them, tell them to verify that they have access to it. And once they have access to it, then your BAs can start working depending on their training coach. I think they've been told, I think that's the training for them for tonight regarding their user story. So their mentor will take them, or their tutor will take them through what they need to do and all that. So they will come and start populating the project board with stories and all that. They will teach them what they need to do and everything. So they will need to do that. And then how you can check what they're doing also, that they are linking their stories properly. Your mentors will do that. I don't want to go into that. So your mentors will put you through how you help them to know that they are doing things properly. So Scrum Masters, you are the board administrator. So that's why we're doing this workshop, so that you familiarize yourself with how the board works. You need to know how the board works because you're the ones that are going to guide your team members, especially when they have any impediment based on the board and all that. You need to know what you're doing in order to be able to put them through and tell them what needs to be done, how to resolve it. But if you don't know, there's no harm in that. Just reach out to your mentors to say, one of my members is asking about this. I'm not sure really what I need to do and all that. That's why they're your mentors, and they'll be able to put you through what you need to do. So try as much as possible to meet with your mentors. Once you create your board, that's for the other teams. Tell your mentors to come and check, just so they know that you've done the right thing, you've done what you need to do. They will put you through wherever you're not done the right thing the same way I'm doing. You just share your screen for them. They will check where things are wrong, and then they'll be able to put you through what you need to do. Okay, so thank you so much, Optimind, for allowing us to use you to do the workshop. Thank you so much, and thanks for sharing, Abimbola, and being our driver tonight. Thanks, Ian, also, and everybody that contributed to this board that we've given birth to tonight. So thanks. All right, Biodun, do you have a question?
Thank you,
You can
Moji.
stop sharing, Abimbola.
Yeah, I
do
want
you want
to
her
ask.
to still keep sharing so that if you have a question that is in relation to the board?
No, I don't have a question relating to the board. I just want to ask Abimbola if it's possible. I don't know. I know it's a bit late, but are we going to be able to get the recording this night?
Honestly, not. I don't think that's possible because.
Okay, sorry. I will try and do that.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you try and do. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay, any other question from anyone? Or is it overwhelming what we've done tonight? Let's talk. Do you feel okay? Let's stop the recording so that we don't make it too long. Of an organization. Okay, so you can create your own personal organization to use to learn, but you can't use Blue Sky details to do that. You have to use your own details to do that. Okay, I am working as an Agile delivery manager. I work with Azure DevOps at work. I have my own personal Azure. If I'm trying to add a widget and see how it displays, I won't do it on the work Azure DevOps. I won't even do it on Blue Sky Azure DevOps, even if I'm a tutor on Blue Sky. I will do it on my personal one to see how it's displayed, to see that it is displayed properly. And once I learn that process, then I go on to work to suggest it to my manager, share a screen, show him how it is and all that. And then if we feel it's going to benefit the team and the organization, and if it's free, if it's costs, if it's something that they need to pay for, I have to justify that that widget is needed, maybe for tracking or the team needs it or things like that. So I'm saying that even though I'm working, I still have my personal Azure. Okay, so it's something you need. Now to get it, if you open a new tab, Abimbola, I just want to show people how they can have their own personal one so that you can practice with it. So open a new tab, you know that plus again, okay? So type in dev.azure I think .com. So don't click on the Blue Sky one. So because we're trying to get, yeah, so just do dev.azure.com. And even if you don't want to use that, you just go on Google and do Azure DevOps, and then it will bring up Azure DevOps website for you. Just go on and then stop after .com. It will cut out the other one once you enter azure.com. No. Go on. Don't click on the whole thing here. Remove that one out of it. Okay, so you can see it at the bottom. Just click on it and then it would. Okay, so it's still linking you to the project.
I have to first of all sign in my Teams on my home.
No. You don't need to do that. Go on Google. If this one is giving you
using
trouble,
your personal Google account. That's what she's explaining, not Sky Blue or I said Sky Blue, Blue Sky. Sorry.
Okay. Because the Teams I'm using is Sky Blue. Probably that's why.
You are not
Blue
using
Sky. Sorry.
open a new portal or something, and then
use
you
That's
have
what I
Windows.
did.
Yeah, now you just log in. You log in directly, not like a new account completely, but with your Gmail account. That's what you're going to do.
Yes,
And
that's
then
what
you
I'm
log in
saying. I've
your
already
password.
logged in with Blue Sky.
But what if
No.
you're on
Then
the
you can
okay?
switch accounts.
Do
You
you
can
do
switch
you have
accounts.
on what is your Google or do you have Google on
Yes, I have my
your
Google
Edge?
on. The only thing I can do now, let me see. Let me go back to my Teams and then switch account on my Teams.
Don't switch accounts. You don't need to do that.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Okay, so
Can
close
you
this
go to
one that
new
you've opened.
organization? I think
Close
it
this
works
one
that
that
way.
you've opened.
Mhm.
Okay. All right. Close all the Microsoft that is open. Remember, we've bookmarked it so you can open it at any
Oh,
time. So
yeah.
close everything.
Oh, yeah.
It's bookmarked already.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, Christiana.
I was going to say that you just have to go to new organization and then you'll be able to log in with a new Gmail account. Because that's what I did actually.
Okay, you have a personal one.
Yeah.
So close all these ones. Close that one also. Close that one also. Okay, open a new tab. Yeah, where is your Google on this new tab now?
Okay, my
Because at times, if you're
Okay.
trying to use the dev dot whatever and it's disturbing you, just go on Google. And inside Google, just put Azure DevOps. It will take you to their website. You're still on Microsoft. Microsoft can be a bit touchy. So good.
Yep.
So just put Azure DevOps there.
Can I click on
You
this?
can see start your free account at the bottom.
No.
See, start for free. Okay. And okay, so it will be asking you for, is that the email? If that's the same email you've given Blue Sky, you can pick
Yeah.
another one.
That's the email I use. That's my only email.
That's the only email you have. That's fine. Okay, so give it another password, not the same password you're using for, or use the same. Let's see if it will allow you, if it will. I just don't want it to link you to
Won't link me because I've done it before.
Okay. Okay, so for every other person looking at this is how you can create your own personal organization. And without your personal organization, you don't need an admin account because you are the owner of the organization. Yeah, but please don't use Blue Sky information. And once you create that, you can follow the video to do everything that you've seen Abimbola doing this night. And that helps you to learn how to maneuver and familiarize yourself with the Azure DevOps and then the boards on it and everything. So Scrum Masters, you can create your organization. ADMs also, you can create your organization also, just so if you want to have the same thing. So you can do that also. And that helps you to learn, to practice and to learn more what you need to do. Because it's your organization, if you make mistakes and everything, you can delete things, you can add things again. It's your personal organization. It's not being done on the Blue Sky one where you have other team members on it. Yeah? Jordan, you have your hands up.
Yes, please. I just want to ask, because on the personal one that I created, I have limited access as well as to what to get done in terms of practice and things like that. So I'm not sure if we can use that for everything we are being taught right now.
Okay. Do you want to
There's
share your
option of
screen? Because if
market.
it's your personal organization, you should be able to do it.
And there's option of market to actually get to retrospect is free. I didn't have access to that before, but I was able to get that for free and add it to mine.
You went to the marketplace.
Yeah, to get it for free. So there are some items that are free. You can just get them.
Just make sure
Okay.
you're using the free version and you're picking the free things on the marketplace so that you're not being, after 30 days, being asked to make payment or something like that. Most of the things that we've put on the Azure board and all that are free things. And even if there are some things that are down to subscription and all that, it won't be something that the Scrum Masters need to use as a board administrator. Most of those ones are free. And the good thing about it is you can have it for years. I've had my personal organization on Azure now for close to 4 years, and they've never asked for money or anything. That's the good thing about Azure DevOps, Microsoft and Azure DevOps.
That's brilliant.
Okay, so we can do that and practice and practice and practice. If
No,
you're practicing on it, if you meet with any blockage, reach out to your Scrum Masters and just tell them, even if it's your personal one, you explain to them that, oh, I'm just trying to familiarize myself with this thing. I met with this while I was trying to do this and that and everything. They'll be able to help you to reach out to your Scrum Masters, your mentors, reach out to your buddies. They are also there to, help you and support you along. Okay. Abimbola, you have your hands up.
Yes. I wanted to ask, which settings did you use for your personal Azure setup?
Okay. So for me, I didn't want any trouble. Yeah, I don't like. So I used I used Firefox for one. I used my Chrome for another because I don't want them jamming in any way. And then I used different email address on them.
Okay.
I didn't use the same.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, so we have just 2 minutes to go. Okay, King David, quickly, because I didn't want to exceed the time we have to spend tonight. We did that yesterday. I don't want that to happen again today. Quickly. Hi, King David.
Hi, Moji.
Yeah.
Sorry, I wasn't able to log
Yes.
into the.
Yeah. So for you,
So
I would DM
would that
you. We need to meet with the person that will give you what you need to do to be able to do that. So I was going to DM you later on, and then we'll see how we can resolve that. Yeah.
All right, thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. Anyone that is a Scrum Master and is not based in the UK, please reach out to me. Once you have the admin account, reach out to me. Okay, so for Abimbola's team, Optimind, we've set up your board already and all that. So Abimbola, you can share the details with all the other Scrum Masters, and then you can all work together. So Scrum Masters on Optimite, Abimbola will share the details with you. Once you have any issue, reach out to Abimbola first. If she can't resolve things, because she will say if she can't resolve things, that doesn't mean I've made Abimbola. I'm saying a disclaimer now. I didn't make Abimbola the lead Scrum Master. I'm just saying because she's the one that volunteered and she's the one that was given the account, and she's the one that has used it this night, even though we're all looking. So if you're trying to do anything, which I'd rather you all work together, just reach out to her. If she can't resolve it, she will escalate to your mentors. Just follow the escalation process, and then your mentors will escalate to either the admin or myself if I need to come into things and all that. So please do that. But if you are not based in the UK, please reach out to me, because I need to arrange a meeting with you and the Abimbola IT manager so that we can resolve how you can use the admin account. Normally, once you're not based in the country of the organization, that is another security that Microsoft puts in place. They won't allow you to use it because you're outside the, like I said, your IP is outside the organization's geographical location. But that's normal. That's not an issue. They're just trying to be security conscious. So please reach out to me and then I can arrange a time. And I'd rather we all reach out to me. Okay, so let's say reach out to me between tomorrow and Friday so that we all do it together. I'm not doing it one after the other, calling her one after the other because she's quite busy. So if everybody reaches out to me, I can decide, okay, we all meet with her maybe Friday night and try to resolve it. Okay. If there are no other questions, it's 2 minutes past. Thank you so much, everyone, for being part of the workshop. Like I said, if you're trying it and you meet with any hiccups, please reach out to your mentor, send them messages, and they will help you out with any issue that you might be having. It's good to have screenshots also if you're having any issues. So if you're having any issue, make sure you take a screenshot, and whosoever you're reaching out to, tell them this is what I was trying to do. This is the feedback I got. Share the screenshots with them, because then that would help them to know where the issue is and how they can help you. Okay. All right. Is that AB or EB? How do we pronounce your name? Hi, AB. Is it AB or EB? Hello.
I'm AB.
AB, okay.
Yeah,
Go
yeah.
ahead.
Sorry, I wanted to ask, can I still use my email address and my password? You were saying we should create a new one when doing our own private.
No, you don't need to create a new one. The issue that you might have is if you, well, Christina said she did it. She used the same email. Christina, if I'm right?
I think is what she said.
Hi, Christina.
I think that's what she says, that she used the
So I
same
think she
email.
said you can use the same
Yes.
email. For me, I didn't want, because maybe then I was a novice like you, so I didn't want any issue of things jamming and all that. That was why I used another email. So I used Yahoo for the one for Blue Sky, and I used because I had a Gmail account. I used my Gmail for the personal one that I had, and then I used different browsers for them. I didn't use the same because, like I said, I didn't just want things jamming together.
Okay.
But Christina said she used the same email, so that's
password.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's fine. So try it and see.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a wonderful night and a blessed day tomorrow. Thank you. Good